Hey there, you're going to want to stick around if you're in the process of pivoting or creating a new offer for your service-based businesses, coaches, consultants. You are going to want to stick around if you are interested in creating that premium offer that clients cannot wait to say yes to. Hi, I'm Michelle Terpstra, sales coach and sales expert. I've helped over 500 online entrepreneurs create and sell their easy yes offers, and I am here to talk to you today about how to create that premium easy yes offer in your business. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So the way that I teach to create an irresistible offer has 3 parts, okay? 3 really, really important parts. 1, how much money do you want to make? 2, what's important to you in your lifestyle so that you can fulfill this, right? And 3, what are people really looking for that they just cannot wait to say, yes, sign me up, Visa or MasterCard, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into each of the 3 categories. Now, the first one might be the most obvious. How much money do you want to make, right? So if your goal is to make consistent 10K months, then your premium offer has to help you get there, right? So let's say, for example, you are doing a day rate, okay? Like, can I get anybody in watching right now who does day rates or want to do day rates? VIP days, they are fantastic for service providers to get out of the weeds of retainer clients and deliver things in one day. And it is a great premium offer that you can be creating. Now, let's talk about money, all right? So let's say, for example, I'm gonna use a day rate calculator here. Let's say you have a $3,000 day rate. Someone buys your services, expects your deliverables, and you do it in one day. I actually did this for a recent branding experience and it was amazing. So there's lots of ways you can do this. But if you wanna hit 10K and you have a 3K offer that you're focusing on selling, then how many of those do you need to be doing, right? So basically 1 a week, maybe 3 if you have some miscellaneous income coming through. Okay, so that's a really easy one to say, okay, I want to work 4 big days per month, okay, and I'm going to be making 3, 6, 9, 12K months, right? Okay, so that one was pretty simple. Now, the second thing you need to take into account, though, is lifestyle. And I would say that this is the hardest one for people. Now, there are advantages to all different types of, you can do memberships, VIP days, group coaching programs, 6-week, paid sprints or intensives. There are so many different types that you can build, right? But when you build it, you better be ready to fulfill it, okay? And what does that mean? It means that it fits into your lifestyle. So I'm a working mom and I work when my kids are in school, and that is a really, really important piece of my business. So I'm not going to build something that's gonna require me to miss out on that special time I get with my kids in the afternoons or my ability to take time off when they're not in school. So for me, I have set up my business to have a lot of boundaries around my offers so that I can fulfill my lifestyle dreams. And I spent a lot of time in a 9-to-5 that I didn't have that flexibility, and I knew building my business was going to be so important. So before you create something, I want you to literally write down what you're going to need to do to fulfill it. And if it doesn't fit into your lifestyle, go back to the drawing board a little bit and let's think of a different creative offer for you. Okay, so number 3, which is arguably the most important part, is that somebody is going to want to buy this. You want lots of people to be able to buy this. And when you're creating a premium offer, you want it to be a premium deliverable or a premium experience. And so when you're doing your ideal client research and you're realizing who you want to work with, like for example, people come to me, I help heal their relationship with sales so they fall in love with selling so they can create aligned sales systems in their business for unstoppable growth. So someone who comes to me has a sticking point with sales. Perhaps they don't have a sales system in their business and they're really looking to accelerate their growth. That is my person. So one of my VIP days, for example, is you come to me and I create your VIP, I create your premium offer for you. And that is my deliverable. And then I teach you how to sell it. Okay, so that is a really high value, easy thing for me to sell because people who come to me really need that and they want it quickly. So for example, Let's say that you're a Facebook ads manager or a YouTube ads manager. Your VIP day could be setting up the entire back end of the ads manager, creating the first 3 ads, setting up a budget, and delivering it to somebody with a short tutorial on how they can manage it themselves, or they can put you on retainer to manage it. And it feels like a huge win. Like, oh my gosh, I showed up on this Thursday. I had someone focusing on my business all day, and I walked away with a fantastic outcome. Okay? And the biggest mistake I see here is that you don't actually go out and talk to people when you're creating your offers. Make sure that you are asking people what they want so you can take that into equation of what you're fantastic at, how much money you want to make, your lifestyle, and what people will buy. All right? Okay, so those are the 3 pieces. If you found this information valuable, I would love, love, love to know in the comment section below which of the 3 helped you the most. Sit back and reflect and think about that VIP offer. Okay, next up, I want you to jump on over to my Facebook group, Hello to Close. The reason why is I have a couple of free trainings underneath guides that will really, really help you take what I just taught you right now and put it into place. Specifically, I would love for you to check out the cash injection training and say hello to me on your way in. I can't wait to see you there. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the rest of the fantastic tips and motivation that I'm going to be providing on my channel so that you can effortlessly make more sales. See you next time.